हो रही है मेरे पीछे वहाँ से, और ये पूरा काउंटर की तरफ जा रही है जहाँ पे QR कोड दिखा करके आपको मिलेगा बैंड, और बैंड दिखाने के बाद आपको मिलेगी गुडीज़। वेगाटर बीच। हेलो, सो गोवा में फुल मस्ती चल रही है।
गोवा मर है, गोवा मर।
इधर ये समुंदर है, इधर सूरज डूब गया है, और ये हम लोग वेगाटर के बीच पे हैं। और मयंक हमारे फोटोग्राफर। तो इधर टीम रेडी हो गई है, जैकब सर राइड लेके आ गए। तो पूरे वीडियो में पूरा क्लब कभी नहीं इकट्ठा हो पा रहा है क्योंकि सब कहीं ना कहीं घूम रहा है। जैसे अभी ये चले गए थे बहुत दूर,
हम चाय पीने गए थे 12 किलोमीटर।
12 किलोमीटर ये DJ को देखने के लिए। DJ प्ले हो रहा है वहाँ पे, और अल्टीमेट नज़ारा रहता है वहाँ पे। और जिन लोगों ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो कर लेना, क्योंकि अभी कल भी वीडियो डालने वाले हैं हम लोग। ये सर्विस स्टेशन है रॉयल एनफील्ड का, जहाँ पे सारी बाइक सर्विस हो रही है।
When I say rider, you say Mania. Rider! Way better than that. Come on, rider! Rider! How's it going? It feels
absolutely delighted to have all of you here and to introduce the Super Meteor for the first time in India for you all. And ride this beauty. But my God, look at this. Look at this. I remember our first Rider Mania. 2003. There you go. 2003, we had one or two, signs up there. We were riding down, and we were like, oh my God, this is a big event. And it was 60 people. I think there were 60, 80 of us. That was Rider Mania. And look at this. I cannot believe my eyes. All of you are here. This is ridiculous. We all ride regularly. Some of us are shit riders. Some of us are great riders. But we all ride. We all enjoy riding. We all ride all the time. I was up in the Himalayas in August. All four of us were up in the Himalayas testing some beautiful bikes. New bikes. And that's what we do. We eat, we breathe, we sleep motorcycles. That's what we love. That's what we do. And that's what we're all about. And therefore, all of this. But the one person who, more than anyone else, eats, breathes, sleeps motorcycles is this guy here, Mark Wells. Now, Mark tells me that he's got the best job in the world. He
just rides.
He is the chief of design, but he's the guy who conceptualizes all the motorcycles at Royal Enfield. I mean, him and his team, and all of us chip in a bit. but it's his responsibility to do that. And I mean, of course, we find Mark in his office once in a while, but mostly he's out. He's riding with all of us.
I've ever ridden on, and I'm riding through, and I'm thinking, we didn't ride it on a Super Meteor, but I was thinking, I wish we had a Super Meteor for that ride. There were so many of those roads coming into Goa, coming up from the south on NH66. This bike, and it's something that's deep in.
Come on, Rider Mania, make some noise for what you're seeing on stage. Like I said, we're making history this evening.
What's that?
And it's open only for the Rider Mania people who had come here for next 2 days, exclusively for you guys. That's Royal Enfield, the brand belongs to you guys.
And for all you people watching out there online, there's still time. Pack your bags, load up your bike, start your engines. If you get here now, you get to meet all these crazy beautiful people. You get to listen to all the amazing artists, and you get to do the bookies. So come on.
Moto, you say verse. Moto, Moto. When I say beat, you say box. Beat, beat. When I say beat, you say box. Beat, beat. This, ladies and gentlemen, is just day one. We have 2 more days, and we have these fantastic musicians who are about to take stage and blow our collective minds away.
Ajay present. Right side.
आसिफ भाई जितने बार भी आते हैं कर्नाटक में आपको फोन करके हो आओ इधर चिकमगलूर बोल के
2019 we met these guys in the Rider Mania. Yes. And now after the COVID again we are meeting here in the Goa Rider Mania.